Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is moving forward in this direction and black's pawns are moving downward in this direction. So white has only one way to win this game, meaning if you didn't find that only way of winning, you would end up in a drawn position. So go ahead, pause the video and guess the move on your own. Best of luck. Okay, so now our chance of winning is this pawn, and if we manage to move the king to the corner, we do have a possibility to win with only a bishop, but that is in a rare case, and I'll show you how we should solve the solution. So first off, if you capture the pawn like this, it won't work because black would attack the pawn and you can't defend your pawn, right? So this is not the solution. You can give this check, but that doesn't help you. Black would capture your pawn and this is not going to make you the winner. The other thing is to defend the promotion square like this by playing bishop to d4, and then on the next move you would capture and win the game. But black would simply capture your back, and once again you don't have a winning position, right? This is just a draw. So the correct move is bishop to h6 check. Now if black moves to e8, we are going to capture black's pawn, and this is simply a unstoppable pawn. So in this position, if black decided to move to g8, which is the better move, what we are going to do is push our pawn. So for those of you wondering, we can't play a king move in this position because black would capture this, and this is just a draw once again. So in this position we push the pawn, and now black has the black king has only one square to play to, which is king to f7. So if black pushes the pawn, what we are going to do is get to e6, and black would push. We play king to f6. The idea is to protect our pawn, and then after black pushes we capture this, and after black plays here we capture the pawn, and now black is out of move. Black has to move to h7, and we are going to play this move, securing the promotion. So this is how we are going to win if black plays these moves. So if black plays this move, we avoid the check and we play here. So that is the idea. We have actually wasted a move here that is for a purpose. So the purpose is to get to f6 late, right? So we don't need to rush to get to the f6 square, because now it would be created the perfect ideal position for us to capture the black's pawn with our bishop, and black in this position is forced to move this pawn. It doesn't matter where it moves, we are going to win. If black moves like this, we play here, and on the next move we are going to play king to f7, and if black pushes two square instead, we play here, and black can actually play here, but we are going to play king to f7, and if black pushes, we capture the pawn and win the game. So this is winning for white. So this is it. But in this position, let me take you back here. After we push the pawn, black can play here actually to give us check to defend the threats. So what do you think the best move? Okay, well, if you think a king move is the best move like this doesn't work because black is going to push the pawn and you have to capture this pawn, right? So you have to take this pawn, and once you capture that pawn, black would play here and you wouldn't have any way of winning this. So instead, what you are going to do in this position is to push this pawn and make it a queen. So now black is forced to capture the queen and we play king to e6, and now black is actually forced to the corner, and from this position on it's mate into you can pause the video and try to find the correct move. Okay, the move is king to f7. This is going to be the follow-up and black can't do anything about it. Just black can move this pawn to square or one square, doesn't matter. We are going to play bishop to g7 checkmate. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.